Today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Wearfit app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just go down here. You click here on me down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on your photo profile, you just click on it, then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You come here to exercise duration, just click on it. So then here can you select, set your exercise duration in this list here. Click on select, then it's going to add with you. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish now you are get it. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.